Here we go. We're gonna Lucky's gonna finish off that last case, number 1. And he said roll on 2 more. One on top, 4 on bottom. Bottom 1. Bottom 2. 1, 2. There we go. 1 and 2. We'll finish off the old case first. I think there's been 2 one-on-ones from this case, so the chances of getting a third one are good. If you ever get 2 one-on-ones in a case, getting a third is always good. Alright, there is an autograph on the bottom. This one is numbered to 12, 3 of 12, Aaron Rodgers. Jim McMahon jersey, numbered to 99. Numbered to 25, 25 of 25, Jerry Rice jersey, greatest treasures. Pro Bowl patch. This one is Sheldon Richardson, 3 of 25. Pro Bowl. Number to 99, jumbo patch, Justin Hardy. 25 of 99. 11 of 19. This one is Devin Smith, patch glove. 11. Oh, I said 99. It's 11 of 19. Weird numbering. Doesn't match his jersey. Not sure what that means. 11 of 19 on that one. Let's see. This one is 43 of 49, Brett Hundley. Next, 33 of 99, Dorial Green Beckham. The horizontal version. The vertical version to 99, Jay Ajayi. And the last one to 49, Eric Flowers, or Erec. Last one from that case. No one-on-one in there. Oh well, I thought for sure we'd get one, considering the other ones had so many. Let's see if you get some out of the first 2 from the new case. It's flush. No Whitey Bulger. Number to 44, 29 of 44, the Diesel. Bobby thumbed the Diesel down. What's up, Zach? This one is 55 of 99, Nick Foles. This 91 of 99, Jeremy Langford. He's a treasured running back. T.J. Yeldon, 99. Number 249, Patch Duke Johnson. This one is glove jersey, Matt Jones. There's holes in his glove, but there ain't no hole in the wash job. Let's see, 30 of 99, Victor Cruz Colossal Jumbo Numbers Jersey Autograph. What's up, Hi? How you doing, buddy? Kicky. Bubba Franks. Next, Scott Chandler. And a $3,000 card. Saw one on eBay once. Numbered to 99. Marcus Mariota. There you go. Nice patch on that one too. It's part of the sword. There you go, Lucky. Marcus Mariota, number 98 of 99. Rookie patch autograph. Is that 98 or 90? Sorry, that was 90 of 99. So if we were doing a serial numbered break, the 10th spot would have pulled that card. That's why you never know on those serial number breaks. The 10th spot actually does pretty well in a lot of them, oddly enough. It's just all luck of the draw, though. Myra's here. Oh, she's wearing her pretty dress. Myra's here. She's wearing her pretty dress. That's what I just said. How's it going, babe? You're wearing your elephants. It looks cool. Number to 99. Doug Martin. Number to 49, Brandon Marshall. Kiki said, I prefer you to wear overalls. You can come in and do the square dance. Hey, babe. Number to 49. You beat Eric here. He's coming in now. James Laurinaitis. Number to 49. William Fong said, good morning, Myra.
Good morning.
What's up, dude?
The cop said if they catch you
James.
1 mile over the speed limit, you get them a ticket.
Yeah, it's a rumor. Bryce Petty, 13 of 99 jumbo patch. Quad jersey. This one is David Cobb and Max Williams. Friends and foes. Hi said hi, Myra.
Hey, bud.
Kiki said Eric is always late. They're kidding. Brashad Perryman, Max Williams. Roxy John said, hey, Myra.
Hey, Roxy. Bob, I'm going to get coffee.
You're on break? Myra said, bye, I'm on break. No, I'm good, thanks. Eight of only 18. Garrett Grayson, the Emerald. Mario Alford. This one is numbered to 49. Oh, Swifty, that's my girlfriend, Myra. Eli. 13 of 15. Eli's got another, he's another person that actually cares how his autograph looks. It looks good. Eli Manning. That's actually a sloppy Eli Manning autograph, and it still looks good. And the last one, 4 of only 5. I think they would have put a better patch on the left for you. Part of the Redskins logo on the right, Matt Jones. 4 or 5. And that will finish it off, Lucky. Let me know if you want to, you said you might do these or not. Let me know. See you, bud.